Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change date and time in Infinix Hot 11s smartphone. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open Settings, then click System, then choose Date and Time. Then need to disable the network provider time. You need to open that, then click Off. Now you can edit the date and time. So I will choose date. You can change the month, you can change the day, you can change the year also. So also you can change the time. So if you want to set default time, you need to click again, use network provider time and choose network provider time. Now the phone set it to the network provider time. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.